Hi, I'm Matt Machine, and in this video, I'll be giving you my honest thoughts and opinions on Tiana's Bayou adventure. It replaced one of my favorite rides in Magic Kingdom, Splash Mountain, and I invite you to join me as I give you my honest thoughts, opinions, and a POV of the ride. Shall you? Hey, good morning, good afternoon, good night, everybody. In this video, I want to actually talk about Tiana's Bayou adventure. I just got on it like about 3 hours ago. So it's going to give me my first thought impressions and feedback. So I went on it actually 1.25 times today. The first time I went on it, I got evacuated. And I'll show you that clip of it right now.
You gotta touch the name Grace.
Let's put them on. Princess and the Frog. Ready for first drop?
This is all different.
Yeah, it is. The animatronic looks amazing on Tiana. Holy moly. Hey Tiana.
Thanks for helping me look for musicians for our party tonight. Louis, they're on their way.
The animatronic looks amazing. We're almost there. Almost there.
Woo-hoo! And it bands down here. Come out, wherever you are.
Almost there. Hard every day. Blue sky, what I do. And almost there. Almost there.
It's definitely more vibrant now.
What?
It's definitely more vibrant now.
Yeah, I like it a lot so far.
Only one on it.
Yeah, this is awesome. Never ever left the side of what's really important. Oh, there's Mama Odie section. That's on TikTok. Almost there.
May I have your attention, please? We are sorry, but due to technical difficulties, we have temporarily closed Tiana's Bayou Adventure and do not yet know when we will reopen. Please exit the queue at this time, following the directions of our cast members. Again, Tiana's Bayou Adventure is now closed. Again, we apologize for this inconvenience and thank you for your patience and cooperation.
Then the second time I went on it, I got full ride experience. And here's a clip of the queue and the ride itself.
That's so cute.
This is WNO New Orleans, and that was Marvel Evangeline. The last time Princess Tiana visited our station, she told a fantastical tale about a firefly named Ray who fell in love with a star named Evangeline. I still think of those two every time I look up into that sky.
It does. It smells like Splash Mountain. This is a section I'm excited to see. The TNT store, because I saw pictures of this online. It's a whole bunch of hot sauces in there. Round two. Hopefully you get a full ride experience. Yeah. Hey, Tiana again.
Louis, they're on their way.
This is the part we got stuck on last time. Right after this. Ah. That felt good though, honestly. There's Louis. Hey, Louis.
Down here. Come out, wherever you are.
We're almost there. Almost there. Almost there. Almost there. Almost there. Almost there. It's a better sign than last time. No, because see, that's a better sign. They're not gonna get wet off the first drop. It's not this drop you get wet off of. First drop. Whoa, that's bumpy. That felt good though, honestly. Going down the bayou. Down the bayou. Going down the bayou. Going down the bayou.
Tiana wasn't kidding, y'all. This Dodico band she found can play. Hallelujah!
Down the bayou, going down the bayou, going down the bayou. bayou, going down the bayou, going down the bayou. Bayou, going down the bayou. The bayou, going down the bayou, going down the bayou. That's a reference to Splash Mountain, where the bird bub was. That's where the bird bub was. Mama Odie. Let's see. Laughing place time. Woo! We got drunk at the frog side. Blue skies and sunshine. Get a little deeper. Whoa! Blue skies and sunshine. Dig a little deeper. We gotta dig a little deeper. Blue skies and sunshine.
Let's get you big again, cause the bigger you are, the bigger the splash you'll make in the water.
We're really gonna get wet.
Yeah, I know. Blue skies and sunshine. Bam, 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 bam. What does he look like? Oh my God, Mama Odie! I missed this part. Oh, it's not that bad, the splash.
Not that bad. I'm soaking wet, Matt.
It's not that bad. You're over-exaggerating.
Look at me.
It's not that bad. You're over-exaggerating. Big.
I'm sitting in the back. People in the back will get wet.
You chose the wrong side to sit on, or the wrong section. You'll see in a second. You get stuck in front of the waterfall.
At this point, I'm soaking wet anyway, so.
You got wet from this part.
I'm soaking wet now, so it doesn't really matter, man.
Whee! Oh my God, this is amazing, this part. Bye, Mama Ode.
Remember?
So I'm gonna give you guys my complete honest feedback. I'm not gonna lie for saying I love the ride. I like the ride. I love Splash Mountain, and the ride is the same layout and everything as Splash Mountain. The problem I'm having with the ride is when you repaired it, they didn't repair the track or anything. Or when you redeemed it, they didn't repair the track or anything. And I'm not sure if you guys remember, but when Splash Mountain was closed, I was actually having issues also. So I feel like they should have repaired the Splash Mountain issues instead of just adding a new demon to the ride. You should have repaired it and added a new demon. Because Splash Mountain, they literally did not touch the track whatsoever or anything. Otherwise, the animatronics were great. Music was phenomenal. I like the projection screens that they had in there. It kind of made me feel like I was on a more drilled version of Navi River Journey. But overall, I actually did enjoy the ride. I always loved Splash Mountain, but it felt good to go back down that 50-foot plunge on that ride. I'm not gonna lie. But it was a pretty good ride. And that was actually the second time I ever got evacuated from a ride. I can't show some of the stuff I recorded. I didn't even know I was not allowed to record backstage till I left backstage, but I'll take out that bit, but it was pretty dang fun. I just don't want to ruin the magic, and I don't want to get banned from Disney because I love this. Excuse me. Overall, I really thought it was a good ride. And I'll definitely be going there on opening day for you guys because they have beignets coming there. But I actually really enjoyed the ride. It was very good. I'm not sure if my mic got damaged that I used. So I used the external mic for my Insta360 X3. And I'm going to upload a 360 POV of it on Tuesday. This video will be going out tomorrow. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment if what you like better from the POVs you see in this video is compared to Splash Mountain and tell me which one you like better. Alright, bye.